landscape anchoring stakes. Now, I put an edge in my bed on the side yard, and the edging that I purchased in the box, they didn't have pins for each hole to put the stakes in. They give you probably 10. They had this for $1.25 for 24 stakes. I had to buy several bags, and then you can use these things for other things in your garden. So I thought, you can't beat that. I did buy a sunflower pack. I love sunflower. I love this brand. I love this Red Sun. It is so beautiful to me. And of course I have other sunflowers, but so I picked that one up. And I saw this little sprinkler. You put a hose right there and you attach it to this little sunflower. You can put this in your in a container, in your raised bed. You can put it in the garden border or bed, and it's just so cute. And I probably will get more of these because I think this is very different. So I got that to go with the sunflowers that I'll be planting this year. But it's just so many things like that in the Dollar Tree. I, for one, was so surprised over the Christmas holiday. I was looking for stocking stuffers, and I saw these people lined up in this, not lined up, but just congregated in this area. And I went over to see what they were looking at. They were looking at socks. And I thought, that would be a great stocking stuffer. They had all kinds. Dots. I bought dots. I bought double bubble. I bought cotton candy. I bought Tootsie Rolls. These are just $1.25. And I bought some around the Christmas holiday. And let me tell you, they wash very good. They fit very nice. And it's just a nice something to wear around the house. You can wear them gardening. You can wear them all over. And they're nice quality socks. Machine wash cold with light colors. Polyester, 98% polyester, 2% spandex. Just the fun of them. They are so fun. Yeah. One more thing I want to share is the Domestic Geek. She is a YouTuber. This woman is awesome. I don't know if you've ever seen her on YouTube, but she has a gardening channel. Not a gardening channel, I'm sorry. I got gardening in the brain. She has a cooking channel and a lot of good recipes. This is the Domestic Geeks Meals Made Easy. So many great recipes. And for $1.25, come on. I mean, just was excited to see a YouTuber's book at the Dollar Tree. So keep watching and you'll see some of the other things that I found at the Dollar Tree that you might be interested in. One thing in particular are these tumblers. $5. I just went to my local grocery store and this almost exact tumbler was $20. This is steel. It is something that is going to last for a very long time. They had all different colors and $5. I mean, gardeners, we get thirsty. Especially me. I garden for clients for a living. So I want something nice and sturdy that could sit right into my vehicle. And $5. They had all different colors. This was not in the gardening section, but take a look. I mean, if you're looking for a tumbler, here you go. You don't even have to be